Here are 3 AI tools that can boost your editing using Filmora 14. First is AI Portrait Cutout. If you don't have a green screen and you just want to cut out your portrait subject for a project, then this tool will help you. Just go to AI Tools and enable AI Portrait Cutout. Wait for Filmora 14 to process your video. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on the length of your clip. As you can see, your subject has been cut out clean from its background and now ready for some effects. I am going to try to overlay the portrait cutout to this galaxy video. Look how cool that is! You may also try to use these body effects to add more fun effect to your AI portrait cutout. Moving on, we have the new AI sound effect tool. If you are having a hard time to look for the right sound effect, this new Filmora 14 feature might help you resolve your problem. Simply go to the Audio tab and look for AI sound effect. Type in your prompt for what type of sound effect you want them to generate for you. Wait for a few minutes for your sound effect to be generated. Filmora 14 will give you 3 different sound effects to choose from. If you're not satisfied with the first batch, you may rewrite your prompt and get another set of sound effects to choose from. If you already picked an AI-generated sound effect, you may now add it to your audio track. Last but definitely a very helpful AI tool, AI Face Mosaic. If people aren't asked to be in the video or asked you to blur their faces, it's hard to cover them up one by one. Good thing we now have AI Face Mosaic in Filmora 14. Go to New Features when you opened Filmora 14 and import the video where you want to apply AI Face Mosaic. Wait for it to finish processing. This process will let Filmora 14 detect all of the faces that was included in your video clip's frame. After a couple of minutes, you will see different tracked faces, and they will be automatically blurred out using a mosaic overlay. If there are people who doesn't need to be blurred out, you can deselect their detected faces. You can also make necessary adjustments such as adjusting the strength, feather, and opacity of the AI Face Mosaic effect. That's it for this video. I hope this one helped you out. Keep creating and see you on the next video.